The mutual fund industry is facing the heat. So what do investors make of all this? Waqar Naqvi of Taurus AMC or asset management company joins us. Waqar, good evening. So as Mr. Kurian was saying there, is it a fundamental problem of differentiation in your ability to reach out to new investors?
Govind, quite a few things. Of course, I agree with what Mr. Kurian said. And it is true. If you look at Taurus itself, we have in the past 2 years come out with only products which were not present in the Indian space. Now, that is also to say that we did not come out with too many products. I mean, if you look at our ethical fund in March 09, which we launched, and that, mind you, was at a time when the markets were at their, I wouldn't say the nadir, but they were very, very low and with a very pessimistic outlook surrounding the Indian market outlook. Right. It was a fund which was absent from the Indian space. Even currently the NFO we are running, which is the MIP with a gold tinge, is something which hardly 1 or 2 other such products exist. So product differentiation, I agree, is absolutely a must. So there's hardly any space left for a Me Too product.
Right. So that's one part of the problem. So the other problem, of course, is that distributors are not selling as aggressively as before because their commissions don't exist. So is that another reason that's holding investors back? Or rather, not sort of allowing you to reach out to them?
I think a very big reason, Govind, because obviously there are so many schemes, there are so many investors. India is a huge country and there has to be a medium between the AMC and the investor, and the distributors have been serving that medium. Obviously, the ban on the entry load, and as a result of which the upfront commissions going down to the distributors has discouraged a lot of existing small distributors, which was the army of what we used to call the the guys with the bags and without an office, but who were doing a human service to the industry. And the new guys are also deterred. I mean, if you don't see money being made in a business, why will you get into that business as a distributor?
So what would you tell investors, Waqar? That's really the question we're asking tonight. I mean, why should they take the trouble to go out and find ways to invest in mutual funds like yours?
See, couple of things. One is the track record of the fund is important. Taurus has, a couple of awards to its credit. A few of our schemes are rated very highly. In fact, we have only few schemes. We have stuck to the core philosophy that have, very distinct schemes, and they have been doing very well. The returns have been very good. It's been appreciated by quite a lot of people, both on the equity side and on the fixed income side. And then it boils down to that, do I have a product, or am I launching a product which they don't have in their repertoire at this point in time, which if that is the case, the investors should look at it.
Right. No, I also...
my recent NFO which is going on is an example.
Right. So, but I think you're also facing the problem of an industry perception. So what would you tell investors who are shunning the industry as a whole? And I'm talking about mutual funds.
Yeah. See, Govind, the issue is if the product is good and the levels of transparency are very high with the commission structure or rather the expense structure being very low, there is no way this product will go out of the market. You have had cases of very large multinationals coming out with products which did not have the applicability or the acceptability, and the products died. But if the product itself is good, there is even small companies, irrespective of the industry they belong to, if they come out with a good product, it's going to rock. It's a matter of time. These current times are not going to last, more because of the fact that the investors have been booking profits, because you can't blame them. 2007, whoever invested was sitting with losses, generally speaking, up till now. And if the markets run up again too quickly, we might not see a horde of investors coming in.
Right.
But the product is too good, too transparent, too good, too low cost.
Right. Waqar, thank you so much for joining us. Well, that's all we have time for in this edition of The Final Word. On behalf of the entire team that put this show together, thanks for watching and good night.